Hello everyone, welcome to Exploring China Buses Manufacturers. I'm your host Ida. Today, we are at Golden Dragon Longhai plant, a sprawling facility that covers welding, electrophoresis, painting, and final assembly. From raw steel to a finished bus, everything happens right here. Let's go inside and see how it's done. The journey begins here, in the welding shop. A bus body starts at 6 major sections: front, rear, left, right, floor, and roof. They are pre-assembled next door and delivered to the line by an intelligent logistics system. EMS overhead, RGV on the ground. Parts achieve on time, in the right quantity, at the right station, every time. At the heart of the line sits the flexible body assembly system. 32 precision fixtures on both sides lock all 6 sections together with pinpoint accuracy. Switching between bus models, just one program change. Done in minutes, not hours. Then comes the skin-stretched drum tied for flawless surface. Doors, panels, and compartments take shape. Once welding is complete, the body moves to the electrophoresis line for its first layer of protection. This is the electrophoresis shop, 30,000 square meters of advanced surface treatment. The body moves through degreasing, multiple rinses, and then a high penetration electrophoretic bath. Golden Dragon uses Nippon Paint's Powered Nix 301. It reaches every hidden corner and corner cavity, passing over 1,000 hours of salt spray testing. Corrosion protection fully covered. Next, the painting shop. The sanding process uses a central dust collection system, capturing particles right at the source. Cleaner air for the workers, a smoother surface for the bus. From bare metal to brilliant shine, every layer is precisely controlled. ABB 7-axis robots apply premier top coat and clear coat with electrostatic precision. Paint utilization exceeds 75%. Less waste, better finish every single time. With the body painted and protected, it moves to final assembly. This workshop alone is nearly 600 meters long and 100 meters wide, 60,000 square meters in total. That's about 8 football fields. With 4 main lines, 14 chassis stations on the north side, and 20 body assembly stations on the south side. On the chassis side, heavy components, axles, suspensions, driver motors are delivered by the overhead EMS and installed with precision. At the tire station, a robotic manipulator handles the heavy lifting, while a torque-controlled device tightens 2 nuts simultaneously, fast and accurate. Down the main line, a vacuum-assisted robotic arm installs the windshield, handing up to 500 kilos with ease. Then seats, doors, mirrors, and all the finishing touches. At the end of the line, the engine starts, the bus rolls off, and is ready for the road. From 6 welded sections to a fully finished bus, all under one roof. This is how Golden Dragon builds for the world. I'm Ida, and this has been Exploring China Buses Manufacturers. Thanks for watching. See you next time.